Hello guys, let me teach you how to affiliate for people's products on Nestuge. When I talk about affiliation is selling other people's products and getting commission from it, right? Like some people, their product is priced at 9,900 naira. Like for me now, my ebook, I have an ebook on Nestuge which is 9,900 and the commission is 30%, right, for affiliates, right? So you don't even need to own a product to make money on social media right now. You can decide that, okay, I want to affiliate for Miracle Edit Okon, right? And this is how you're going to do it. You come on your Chrome or anything, type on Nestuge, http://nestuge.com. Now when you sign up on Nestuge, you get started for free. I can just put in my login because I have already signed up already. Do you understand? But if you're a new user, you need to sign up, and I think you need to like wait for 24 hours to get your KYC login and all of that, right? So I'm just going to put my details and everything. We just what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on get started. If you do not have an account with them, you sign up. Then when you finish signing up, you come and follow these procedures which I already explained here. Now this is what I've earned from affiliating. I started affiliating for a friend's product, I think day before yesterday, and I've already earned $34. This is so beautiful. $34 from just affiliating for a product. Meanwhile, this is not my product though. This is not my product. I just opened my own Nestuge account today and I decided to teach people how to affiliate. Somebody had already affiliate for my program, I am for my products, and the person has made commission. That is why I got these sales. Can you see? I had only one customer because I just opened it today, and somebody had already affiliated and got our own cuts. Right now, if you want to affiliate for a program, for a product on Nestuge, you come to sell products. This is it, sell affiliate, then sell products. Then you come here and search the product name. Do you understand? If you have the product name, you can come here and search for it, or you look at Nestuge products that they have. Any product that they have, I feel, I can sell this particular product. Then you copy your affiliate link and go and start posting it on your WhatsApp. A lot of you have beautiful viewers on your WhatsApp. Like people have views on your WhatsApp and you are not making money from your views on WhatsApp. Now I can decide to copy. This is how to copy your affiliate link. Tap on this 3 dots here, then you copy your affiliate link and you now start posting. So I can decide to pick any of this book. Look at my book now. Can you see my book? I'm giving a 30% this thing. So you can even come on this search button, right? Come on this search button and write Monetize AI ebook. If you not see the book on your page, tap here and write Monetize AI ebook and click on this search icon by the side, this one here. If you can't find it, you can type my name. You can type my name, Miracle Edit Okon. Can you see it? By Miracle Edit Okon. Look at my book here at the last. Monetize AI ebook by Miracle Edit Okon. So it's either you type Monetize AI ebook. If you don't find it, this is the book here, Monetize AI ebook, or you search for Miracle Edit Okon. Do you understand it? Then what you're just going to do is to copy this, is to tap on this 3 dots that is beside it. See this 3 dots that is beside it? Tap on that 3 dots beside it and copy your affiliate link and go to your WhatsApp and start promoting a book. You can come to the picture of the book. You can come here, get the picture of the book and take a screenshot of it. Do you understand? You can come here, get the picture of the book, take a screenshot of it. Do you understand? Or you can go on my Facebook page, the picture of the book is there, take a screenshot of the book and go and start promoting it with your own affiliate link. When anybody buys through your affiliate link, can you see affiliate link? You just copy it, right? So when anybody buys through this link, you're getting a 30% commission. That is, you're making your own money by yourself without doing anything. You're just selling other people's products. Look at how much I've earned from affiliating for other person's products in just 3 or less than 2 days. This is what I've made, right? So You don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to do anything. This is a simple hack, right? So thank you so much for watching. Go and make some money.